Let us go with some word problems now on subtraction. The sum of two numbers is 58 crores 46 lakhs 14,685, and if one of the numbers is 29 crores 68 lakhs 39,896, find the other number. What is given? The sum of two numbers. Two numbers are added and the result is given, and one of the two numbers is given. We should find the other number. So sum means the two numbers, after addition the answer is given, that is sum. And how do you find the other number? Other number is equal to sum of two numbers minus given number. What is sum of two numbers? This is 58 crores 46 lakhs 14,685 minus 29 crores, the other number is 68 lakhs 39,896. So we have to subtract the given number from the sum. So 5 minus 6, borrow 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 8 becomes 7. And to subtract 9, we have to borrow from here. This becomes 5, this becomes 17. 17 minus 9, 8. To subtract 8 from 5, again borrow from here. This becomes 15, this becomes 3. 15 minus 8, 7. And so borrow 3 minus 9, again borrow from here. 1 becomes 0, this becomes 13. 13 minus 9, 4. 0 minus 3. So we should borrow again 5, this becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 8, this becomes 15. To subtract 8, again borrow from here. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 3 minus 6, again borrow from here. 3, 13 it becomes. 13 minus 6, 7. And again 7 minus 9, borrow from this becomes 4, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. So the other number is 28 crores 77 lakhs 74,789. To check our subtraction is right or wrong, we shall verify again by adding these two. Verify. Here. We shall verify our subtraction now, whether we are getting the sum or not. First number is 29, 68, 39, 896. The answer we got. The second number is 4789. Now we shall add these two. 6 plus 9, 15, 18, 16, 14, 11, 16, 14, 18, 5. So the sum is the same, 58 crores 46 lakhs 14,685. Our subtraction is right. So other number is 28 crores 77 lakhs 74,789. It is the other number. And we have verified our subtraction also, and the sum is same as the given sum, so our subtraction is right. So if the sum is given and one number is given, you can find the other number by subtraction. So let us go with another problem. What should be added to 2 crores 48 lakhs 91,575 so that the sum becomes 9 crores 80 lakhs 1,580. So, how much should we add to make this number to get this number? So, for example, what should be added to 6 to become 10? How do you say 7, 8, 9, 10, 4? How did you get the 4? By using 6 and 10, 10 minus 6. In the same way, 2 crores should become 9 crores. How should we make it? So what should we do? We should subtract from this number. We get what number should we add? So, sum minus given number here also. What is the sum? It should become 9 crores 80 lakhs 1,580 minus 2 crores 48,000 91,000 2 crores 48 lakhs 91,575. Just subtract 10 minus 5 5. This becomes 7. 7 minus 7 0. 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. 10. This becomes 10 minus 9 1. This becomes 10, and from this we give to this. This becomes 9, and this should we borrow from here. 9 minus 8 1. 7 minus 4 3. 9 minus 2 7. So we should add 7 crores 31 lakhs 10,005 to add 7 crores 31 lakhs 10,005 to this number 2 crores 48 lakhs 91,575 to get this number 9 crores 80 lakhs 1,580. So for this what should we do? The bigger number minus the given number, the sum minus given number, we will get the number to be added. Krishna has rupees 2 crores 89 lakhs 48,642, but he wants to buy a flat for rupees 5 crores 44 lakhs 96,749. How much more money does he need? So Krishna has this amount, but the cost of the flat he wanted to buy is this. He has 2 crores and he wanted to buy a flat of 5 crores. But how many more money does he need? So for this, cost of the flat is more than what he had. So what is the difference of the amount he needs? We have to find out. That means we have to subtract from the cost of the flat the amount he had. We have to subtract from the cost of the flat. So cost of the flat is this rupees, and money with Krishna, we have to subtract these two. 9 minus 2 7, 4 minus 4 0, 7 minus 6, 1. 4, 8, 6, something. 16 minus 8 is 8, and 8 minus 4, 4, and here 14 minus 9, 5, this becomes 3, and 13 minus 8 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So, to buy this flat, Krishna needs 2 crores 55 lakhs 48,101 rupees still. So he has to earn this much money to buy this flat of this cost. So in this way you can find how much more or how much less, and the keywords used for subtraction are how much left, how much remained, how much more, what is the increase, what is the decrease. All these you can find out with subtraction, and there are exercises in the page number 40 to 44 on addition and subtraction. You can complete the word problems and general additions on numerical additions in these pages. Now let us go with multiplication. Multiplication of large number is the same as the multiplication of small numbers. The process is same, but just the number of digits increase. Multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but it is just repeated addition. It is the shortest way to do repeated addition. The number which is multiplied is called as multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply is multiplier, and the answer we get is called as product. The answer we get after multiplication is called as product. Find the product of 25 and 10. That means 25 into 10, 250 is the product of 25 and 10. And in same as addition, we have properties of multiplication also. Commutative property. Ten into 15 is equal to 150, the same as 15 into 10 is equal to 150. If the order of the numbers change also, the product will not change. That is commutative property, associative property. If two or more numbers are grouped together and if the order is changed and multiplied, the sum remains same. 10 into 20 into 5 equals 5 into 10 into 20. 200 into 5 is equal to 1000. That is equal to 50 into 20. That is equal to 1000. So if three or more numbers are grouped together and the order is changed, their product remains the same. And distributive property, this is associative property, commutative are over, distributive property now. So 40 into 30, that is equal to 1200 equals 400. 40 into 10 is 400 and 40 into 20 is 800. The result is 1200. So if you add the numbers in the brackets and multiply with the outside number, we get the same product. And if you add separately with the number in the product of the first number into the bracket into first number plus this number into the second number in the bracket, if you add both the sums, we get the same product, same answer. So this is distributed property of multiplication over addition. Sum of the product of the first number and the second number, and multiplicative property of 1. If you multiply any number into 1, we get the same number. So any number multiplied by 1 gives you the same number. The product of 1 and any number is the number itself, and multiplicative property of 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, we get 0. The product of any number and 0 is 0. And if you multiply any number by 10, multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. 486 into 10. Just the given number is followed by 1 0. Multiplication by hundreds. Just the given number is followed by 2 zeros. If any number is multiplied by 100, this number into 1 is the same number followed by 2 zeros. The given number followed by 2 zeros. If any number is multiplied by 1000, the product is given number followed by 3 zeros. So it's a very simple process of multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. And let us go with multiplication with 3-digit number. Six, 8, 9, 3, 4. Find the product of by 5, 3, 4. Children, to do multiplications, you have to be thorough with the tables from 1 to 9 first and then 12 to 20. First you should be thorough with 1 to 9. 68,934 into 534. 3-digit number, 5-digit number by 3-digit number. First multiply with the ones place digit. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 3. carry 1, 4 9s are 36, 37, carry 3, 4 8s are 32 plus 3, 35, 4 6 are 24 plus 3, 27. Cancel all these we have added. Now go with 3 now, tens place digit. Start from the tens place even. Put the answers from the 10th place digit when you multiply with tens place. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 3s are 9, plus 1 10, carry 1 here. 3 9s are 27 plus 1, 28. 3 8s are 24 plus 2, 26, carry 2 here. 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20. When you multiply with hundreds place digit, start putting with the hundreds place only. Start putting the results from the hundreds place. 5 4s are 20. 2 here. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. Carry 1 here. 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46. Carry 4 here. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44. 5 6 are 30 plus 4, 34. Now all these you have to add now. Bring down 6, bring down 5, and 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 5, 20. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 2, 21. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Bring down 3 as it is. The product is 3 crores 68 lakhs 10,756. In this way, you can multiply any digit number by any number of digits. Just remember that when you multiply by tens place, put the answer from the tens place. When you multiply by hundreds, start putting the answers from hundreds place only, and add the products, all the 3 products, add them, you will get the final answer. In this way, you can write the find the product. Yeah, this is a problem, word problem on multiplication. On multiplication, always one too many we use multiplication. The cost of a TV set is, the cost of a mobile phone is 5,000. Find the cost of 10 mobile phones. 10 into 5,000, that is 50,000. So we use multiplication in the case of finding one too many. Here is a problem for you. An aeroplane travels 550 kilometers in 1 hour. What is the distance it travels in 5 days? Can you multiply 550 into 5 here? No. It is not the distance given for 1 day. It is given for 1 hour. First we shall try 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 1 day equals 24 hours, and 5 days equals 24 into 5, 120 hours. So we have to find the distance it travels in 120 hours. We have changed days to hours. So distance travelled per 1 hour is equal to 550 kilometers. And distance travelled in 5 days, that is, we have changed this into hours, that is 120 hours. 550 into 120, never multiply 550 into 5. That is wrong. We have changed days to hours. So 550 into 120 is this. We have to multiply those two. 0 zeros are 0. 0 into any number is 0. So first step zeros, 3 zeros. And 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. Carry 1. 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11. Next 1. Start from the hundreds place. 1 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. 1 fives are 5. 0 0. So 66,000 kilometers is the distance traveled by the aeroplane in 5 days is 66,000 kilometers. So in this way you can find out, you can solve the problems on multiplications. There is an exercise for you in page number 50 and 51. You can solve those problems in your textbook. Thank you.